Okay, so
Okay.
Clark, you and I are married, but if we weren't married and we were texting because we'd met online or something,
Okay.
I want to talk about how I could get you to call me instead of just text me. Because this is a problem.
Well, this is really complex and difficult answer. You ask me.
You asked.
You ask me to call you.
Yes, ask. You know, it's just crazy because so many women, we have a problem with this. We start texting a man back and forth, and the next thing you know, a week's gone by, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. I even heard of someone the other day who texted a man for 6 months, right, with no progression
Before
in the
they ever
relationship.
talked or anything.
Right.
Yeah.
They hadn't even talked. You don't want that to happen. If you are marriage minded and you are looking for a guy, all you need to do is ask. And the way that you can ask is you can say, you know what, I'm really not into texting, but if you'd like to give me a call sometime, you know, here's my number. Or you can, if you're not comfortable with that, if you'd like to talk over Skype sometime, here's my ID. Just let me know. And then that way it puts it in his court to pursue you instead of you feeling like you're just at the mercy of whatever happens.
Right.
And you're not wasting your time.
Right. And if the guy's interested, he'll call.
Yeah,
I would think. I'd hope so.
yeah, absolutely. Go for it.